My dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well, but we are afraid for COVID-19 because nowadays the patient of COVID-19 are increasing day by day, and died also same. But we should have study regularly in our daily routine. Now, today's lesson, tag question. Tag question. What is tag question? Can you tell me what is tag question? Tag question. Question, basically two kinds of question. Yes, no question or WS question. Yes, no question, starting to be verb or auxiliary verb or helping verb. Shake. শেখকে লাগাদাগি করতেছো কিন্তু শেখ সানিম নাইনে পড়ো বের করে দেওয়ার সম্ভাবনা আছে
স্যার
দেখাচ্ছ তুমি
স্যার আমি তো কোনো দাগ দেই নাই স্যার
হ্যাঁ আমি পেয়েছি তুমি না দিলে তো তোমার এখান থেকেই আসছে আচ্ছা জাস্ট ফার্স্ট ওয়ার্নিং Yes no question or WS question. Yes no question basically starting to be verb or auxiliary verb or am is are. Am is are was are. This question yes no question such as are you going to school? Its answer yes or no. So it is called yes no question. But starting WR is basically what, when, who, how. This question WS question. But today's lesson tag question. What do you mean tag? Can you tell me what do you mean tag? Tag means add. Tag means add. আমার মনে হয় সকলে তোমরা ফেসবুক ইউজ করো সেখানে এই ট্যাগ কথাটা আছে ট্যাগ দ্যাটস মিন অ্যাড অ্যাডস কোশ্চেন দ্যাট ইজ the question will be add. The question is basically tag question. Now look, I am ready. In the sentence, now look, I am ready. In the sentence, that the verb am. If you want to that question at first, we have to know about contraction. What is called contraction? Contraction. Now look, am is contraction ain't or aren't. Same is, isn't, was, wasn't, were, aren't. That is contraction. Okay. In short form verb are negative. That is contraction. Now look, I'm ready. This is a sentence. Now we have to exchange tag question or make it tag question. But how to make it tag question? If you find basically, now look, am we have to exchange aren't or ain't, is we have to isn't, was, wasn't, are, aren't, have, haven't, and had, hadn't, shall, shan't. will, won't, should, shouldn't, can, can't, could, couldn't, may, might, would, wouldn't, what to, oughtn't, needn't, dare. Thus, you have to contraction in a sentence. Now look, I am ready. What is or how it take question? How? Now make it a question. I am ready. In the sentence am, so at first you have to write the sentence, then you have to make a comma, then am you have to write ain't or aren't. Then you have to write first subject. Now look, first subject. First subject here I, you have to write same I. But in the sentence, any kinds of plural number, that is Kamal, Jamal, then you have to write he. But in a sentence, if you find male number, that is Kamal, Jamal, Rina, you have to write Kamal, you have to write he. But in female number, that is Nina, Rina, then you have to write she. Another person you have to write same way. But in a singular, in it, you have to write it, but plural, you have to write they. Now look, I'm ready, aren't I? Same, they are playing, aren't they? Kamal is reading, isn't he? Same way, you have to write. But most important, in a sentence, you can find the be verb or auxiliary verb or helping verb. Thus, you have to change same. Now, most important. Pramit Shah. Pramit.
মতো করে নিজেই চলি, কারো মতে চলি না। ভেবেছিলে তুমি অনেক বোকা।
Now look, most important rule you have to put down. In a sentence, you can find as a subject nobody, no one, none, nothing, neither, never, not, no, few, little, rare, scarcely, rarely, seldom, hardly, and etc. Now look again. If you find in a sentence nobody, no one, none, nothing, neither, never, near, not, no, few, little, seldom, scarcely, rarely, hardly. In a sentence, you can find this word. You need not to write in comma T, that is contraction is not or are not or is same. Okay. Now look, nothing is impossible. Here is the verb, so is not, isn't, not isn't, because here in the sentence nothing. So in a sentence nobody, no one, nothing, neither, never. Thus word, if you find in a sentence, you should not write contraction or n comma. Okay, now look, there is, so there is, but nothing is a kind of thing, so you should write pronoun it, not he or she. Okay, any question here? Next, Kamal was not making a basket, was he? Here not wasn't, because in the sentence was with here was, but in the sentence not, so you should not write wasn't, only you have to write was. Then person, here Kamal person, if female number you have to write he, but in female male number we have to write she. Okay, next, he hardly comes here. In the sentence, there is no verb or auxiliary verb or helping verb. If you do not find any auxiliary verb or helping verb or to be verb or am is or was or had as can shall be not shall should, thus you should write according to tense. According to tense, do, does, did. But when do, does, did, if in a sentence verb present form, you have to write do or does. If you find verb added yes or yes, you have to write does. If the subject, if the verb past form, you have to write did. Okay, so in the sentence comes verb. Okay, here now loop comes verb. So comes, you should write does, because this is present tense and after verb yes or yes, so you should. Then you have to write subject, here subject he, so he as usual you should write, but you should not doesn't. Why we should not doesn't? In the sentence hardly, if you find this word, that is nobody, no one, none, nothing, neither, never, not, and thus you should not doesn't, that is N, T. Okay, next, none can avoid them. Here can they? Why here can they? Now look, in the sentence the verb can, so you should write can. Then if in a sentence nobody, no one, none, nobody, no one, none, you should write pronoun they. Only not nobody, no one, none, nobody, no one, none, everybody, everyone. If you find this word that is pronoun, you should write pronoun they. Okay, but here none, so you should not write can't. Here only can they answer. Okay, now look, a barking dog seldom bites. In the sentence bark bites. Now look, bark bites. So there does, not doesn't. Why not doesn't? Because
আবার পেপে উঠছে পেপে উঠছে
now look, here does it, because a barking dog, this is subject, that is third person singular number. So you should write it, not he or she. Okay, because it is a third person singular number, but it is not male or
ওই দেখ
male
কালিক
or
তো ভালো লোক রে
male or female?
Whee! Whee, whee, whee!
Now look, there is little water in the jar. Here is there. Is there. In a sentence you can find little, you should not write N, comma, T. That is contraction. Negative. But next sentence, very important. There is the, or there is a little letter in the jar. There isn't there. But why here isn't there? But if there is a little letter in the jar, little letter or a little letter, little or few, it is negative. But a little or they little, it is positive. So here you should write isn't. Okay. Any question here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next, very important. Now look, if you find in a sentence, nobody, no one, none, everybody, everyone, every. If you find this, you should pronoun exchange they. So, here you should not write does, is, was, has. You should write do, are, were. Now look, everybody believes a lie. Here verb believes, okay? Here verb believes. So you should write does because after verb is, so you should write does. But another rule, nobody, no one, none, everybody, everyone, every. If you find this, you should write they. So you should not write this cessation does, is, was, has. In the cessation, you should write do, are, were, have. When you should write does, then you should write do. If you, when you should write is, then you should write are. Same way was, were, has. Okay. Now look next example. Everybody wishes to be happy. Everybody wishes to be happy. Here, wishes. That same wishes. So you should write does. But in the sentence, everybody subject. So you should write they. After they, we should not write singular verb because here they plural person, plural verb. Singular person, singular verb. Okay. So you should not write doesn't. You should write don't. Same. Next. Everyone is allowed to enter. Everyone allowed to enter. Here are they. Because everyone you should write pronoun they. In a sentence are is, so you should write are, not is, because they are their plural person. Okay. My dear student, have you any question here? Next rule, most important rule. Now look, if you find in a sentence, don't or do not, you should write will you. Very simple. Don't make a noise, will you. Do not go out at noon, will you. Okay, very simple. Any question here? Okay, my dear student, next rule, you let's or let us. If you find let or let us, you should write shall we. If you find or in a sentence, you should, you can see let us or let's, you should write shall. Very simple. Let's or let us, shall. Same. Let's have a snap. Answer or tag shall you. Okay, next. Next, without let us or let's, without let's or let us, basically us, object, without object, us. Another object you can find after let, you should write will. Same after let, me, you, him, her, them. If you find this object, you should write will, not shall. Now look, let him do the work. There will, because after let him, not us. So you should write. Okay. Next, let me go there. Same, will you? No problem. Same way. Same. Have you understood? Any question here? Next.
No, sir.
Rule. Now, in party sentence, if you find at first verb or in party sentence, you should write will you or won't you. Please help the poor, won't you or will you. Okay. Next, obey your parents. Will you. Have you any question? Okay, now look. Am. If you find am, you should write and, I, he, she, you, they, are. That. Same. Kamal, he, Meena, she. Kamal, that's mean any kinds of male number, you should write accents, pronoun he, female number Meena, just like Meena, Reena, same, you should write she, cow, dog, and any kinds of animals, or any kinds of, without Kamal or Meena, that is without Kamal, he, Meena, she, without this, you should write pronoun it. But the pronoun, but the subject plural, you should write, such as cows, boys, you should write. Now look, Meena is playing, isn't she? Cows can't fly, can they? Meena makes tea, doesn't she? Meena made tea, didn't she? Okay. Have you any question? My dear students, any question here? Or in tech
No,
question?
sir.
Now, now man is, now look, what is the correct answer? Man is fond of turning back to the past. Who can answer? Padhan Mandal. Man is fond of turning back to the past. Who can answer? Sudipto. Dibakar. Who can answer? Martuja. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the right answer? Man is fond of turning back to the past. That question. Divakar.
Sir, isn't he?
Isn't he? Next, everybody hardly forgets golden past. Everybody hardly forgets golden
Sir,
past.
do they?
Do they? Yes. Next, nothing is more pleasant to him than the memories of childhood. Well, what is the correct answer?
Sir, is it?
Easy. Next, serial number 4. The memories of childhood really haunt us. No. What is the correct answer? Who can answer? Fazal, Maji. Hello. Here, Bharp and so their subject, the memories. Now answer. There, Bharp and. What is the correct answer? Don't, doesn't, didn't. They. What is the correct answer? Don't, they. Next, serial number 5. The present may be good. I
Sir, mayn't it?
meant it. You shouldn't tell anyone. Would you?
Sir, would you?
Would you? Very simple. Okay? Okay. So, any question? Intact question? What is your demand to next class? Which topics you need to discuss next class? Hello? Okay. God bless you. Best of luck. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.